Pop, lock, and drop it. Pop, lock, and drop it. No hate. Pop, lock, and drop it. 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 Pop, lock, and drop it.
My name's Alyssa. I'm from Humble, Texas, and this is my first year to try out for the Houston Dynamo girls. I actually had a bit of a crazy morning. I was late. I woke up at 7:40. I didn't have no gas, hair, makeup, nothing was done. I thought all odds were against me. I was missing an earring, and I was just nervous at first, but the freestyle helped out a lot. It was a chance for us to show the judges the best type of technique we're good at, and that was a lot of fun. So now I'm more calm and relaxed, and the day should be going better.
I was a Dynamo girl last year. It was my first season, so this is my second year coming back and trying out. It was so much fun. The girls are a great group of girls. We're lucky to have Lou back this year, so we're excited to get it started, and we just can't wait to work with her again. We're just going to have a really good season, so we're excited.
If I make the team this year, this will be my 4th season with the Dynamo. I absolutely love this family here. I can't imagine being anywhere else. The auditions today went really well. I was one of the last groups to go, so I was really nervous. I really didn't have too much prepared, but I just kind of, did what I know and what I've been taught in the past couple of years with Dynamo, and I think I did a good job. So I can't wait for the rest of the auditions, and I'm really looking forward to another great season with the Dynamo.